Ki Ngut ki Myntri Rangbah Jong ka Jylla Meghalaya Bat Assam Haka jingdonlang ki Reginal Committee mynta si kila Sdang ka jingïakren pynbeit Pud Haki tylli ki jaka kajia Pud Haka jingialang kabalalong ha State Guest House Koinadora Khanapara Haba kren kilat pathai khubor naka liang Myntri Rangbah ka Meghalaya Bat Assam kila ong baka Jingpynbeit Pud Haka ni kawat baar kan khamjuat hendrai haba don kamon kadon kalenti bat shen ki Regional Committee kin Sdang ban let jurep ki jaka bat naka liang Myntri Rangbah ka Meghalaya Bat Assam kin salet ru ban peit bat khmi hi dala ki jong ki khmat haka thain Karbi Anglong bat West Jaintia HillsHills bat karpat ru Ïakynduh ban pinne yakasuk kasan
I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees. And as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place. And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings. And as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders. And we hope that we will be able to get reports very soon. In some areas, it may be faster. Some areas may take a bit more time. And during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Anglong and West Jaintia HillsHills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest. But during that process, we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July, we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees. And I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved.
I, along with my colleague, met Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and his team for continuing the border talks, which we temporarily suspended because of the elections in Meghalaya. As you know, we have already settled 6 areas of dispute, and from today, the regional committees of both the states will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists. In the month of June, basically in the last part of June, Chief Minister of Meghalaya and myself will visit uh, Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills area, where presently some unrest is going on, as a confidence building measure, so that the people in both sides feel confident, and they will be assured that both the state will resolve the differences, resolve the dispute with a spirit of the long existed friendship between the people of Meghalaya and Assam. I think today is the another beginning, because after Sri Conrad Sangma re-elected to the post of Chief Minister Meghalaya, for the first time we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 area of disputes uh, much earlier than what we are expecting.